Today I've got a humongous fall craft haul that came from the thrift store. All of this stuff came from the thrift store and is all fall related. So we'll get into that. And I've got a little helper here today helping me with my voiceover. If you hear something else in the background, that's what that is. Yeah, some of this that mesh stuff that people use for wreaths, I don't know. I don't know if I'll use it, but there's a bunch of it. There's 1, 2, 3 of these, and they all work. I was so happy. I've got 3 pumpkin light strings that all work, so that's super cool. Don't know what I'll do with those, but they'll be something to work with and use. A fall maple leaf garland, I guess. It's really big. Actually, no, there's 2 of them here. Right, yeah. There was 2 or 3 in this set of things. Here's what I think happened. I think there was another crafter in the area, and I think they just, I don't know, either they got rid of it or somebody had to take it, and get rid of it for them. I don't know. Oh, little man has hiccups. Oh no. Here's another one, and this actually has the grapevine stuff, I guess is what that is. So, and that's really huge too. It's a little cracked in a couple of places, but that's okay. Here's some of that webbing, linen stuff that you see sometimes people use for mummies or whatever. And these are super heavy, beaded, Indian corn. Here's somebody's DIY that I will gladly flip that DIY into another DIY. More maple leaves. There's some fall flowers and more oak leaves there, it looks like. Let's see. Another flower. Some more flowers. So all kinds of greeneries and leaves and stuff. Here's another garland. That's what that flower came from. This is the only Christmas thing in there. So we'll take that and put that to the side. We're here for all the fall stuff, so we'll put this back on here. And not sure what I'll do with it. Maybe I'll put it on one of my one of the deer skulls and give it a flower crown with that. Some cattails. Those are super cute. Grapes. There was a set of leaves that went with those grapes, but I went ahead and gave those to my mom. She has a project she wants to make with them. And those are picks, I think, from Walmart is what it looked like. So there's a ton of pumpkins. There are a ton of pumpkins. This hat, I got it for the furry bit because, I thought that would make super cute, gnome beards and stuff. So that's what I got that for. And this glitter 3D pumpkin thing. Don't know what I'll do with that, but it was there with the rest of the stuff. And this sunflower, I don't know. I'll take it apart and do something else with it, but that was in there. Another flower head. Okay, so pumpkins. Let's count how many pumpkins in total. So I showed 1 on a pick. There's 2, 3, there's 4. And don't know where these are from. It doesn't really say on the labels. And more maple leaves. Another pick. This is a couple of picks. These are pretty full. I don't know when. These would have been like maybe a year or 2 ago, probably. So y'all keep counting those pumpkins. There's another one. I was just like squealing in the middle of the thrift store. I saw all these. I was like, oh my gosh. Okay, there's the other Christmas thing. This is a nice size one. This is kind of in this foam. It just doesn't have the stem, so we'll do something with that. And that's a Dollar Tree item. I have one of those already. There's another pumpkin. And what do we got here? Another pumpkin. There's all kinds of them. Pine cones. There's a few of those in there, different sizes. More DIYs that were done. Just a mason jar. And, you know, a candle holder thing. I just took a piece of raffia and went around it. There's some more pine cones and that. So I'll probably do something different with this one. And this gorgeous piece, I just wish it was blue. But this is from Hobby Lobby. And, what's that? Does that have the year on it? I guess I missed that. Let me see here. Yeah, it's a Hobby Lobby piece that says 1980 198948. So I don't know if that's when it was made. So if that's the case, we're looking at some almost vintage. So here's a twine. It's a wired ribbon. I don't know. I've never seen anything quite like that. But I thought that was super cool. And then the other one has the pumpkins and stuff on it. And here's a hay bale that I think is actually homemade. And some more flowers. Some more floral things. What else is in here? Oh. That little hanger with these big, you know, sleigh bells, which I'll flip. I think I'll just do that in today's video. More pumpkins. Oh, little tiny pumpkin, so cute. A faux succulent, which, you know, I'm going to set that off to the side. I'll do something with that. Another set of grapes, which could be painted and done, you know, something with, kind of like those little berries there. More picks. Yeah, these are Mainstays, I think it was. I think it's a Walmart brand. Another one of those pumpkin picks. Yeah, Mainstays, I think that's what it says. So, a bunch of little pumpkins, and so let me work on some of this. But the best, I think the most awesome thing I found in this whole haul, there are other Hobby Lobby pieces. And as you can see, I have a mess on my desk here. But I thought this was the coolest of all of this. I'm guessing this is what this was meant to be like. But yeah, see, these are Hobby Lobby pieces, and I don't know how old they are. And I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but there they are. So lots of stuff to work with, lots of stuff to play with. So I think I'll do some, I don't know if I'll work on this one, but I think I'll do something for this video, some stuff for this video. And yeah. And today my video is part of a playlist called Crafting for a Cause, and the host is Teresa of Teresa B DIY, co-hosted by Sandy Lumbermill, Mackenzie Lumbermill, and we'll have a link for the to donate for breast cancer awareness in the description box below, as well as the link to the playlist and to Teresa and Sandy's channels. So make sure you check those out. So I'm going to go ahead and work on this hanger. Now, I just took that little felt turkey off. It's cute, but I don't want that on there. So maybe I can save it and use it for something else later. I don't know, but yeah. I am going to leave the raffia ribbon on there. And I'm just going to, you know, put one of these little pumpkins on there. A little sprig of something. These little berries and a leaf, you know, just zhuzh it up a little bit. And give it a cute little thing. Nothing to it. I'm just going to take some pieces and hot glue it all together. See? It'll be so cute. So just taking the hot glue and just gluing the pieces down where I want them. I did struggle a little bit with it, but it worked out fine in the end, as it usually does. So I'm just using my Surebonder hot glue. No problem. And yeah, that's it. Let it adhere and it's ready to go. It's fall. It's cute. I like it. And this is something that I'll use any time of year anyway. So there it is. I know you can't hear it. But if you've heard those big jingle bells before, you pretty much know what they sound like. Now I've got this wreath that I picked up at the same thrift store quite a while ago, and I'm going to strip it down and we're just going to give it a good refresh. It's very old, it's very fragile, and I think you'll see by the end of this just how many pieces end up falling off of it. Just messing around with it, you can see all the little pieces that have, come off. So I'm going to use this ribbon and a bunch of the florals and make a mess all over my table. You know how it goes. So using all these pieces, I'm going to just refresh the wreath. And there were 2 pieces of this strange twine-ish ribbon. So I did 3 loops on this one, and I'm going to do another one, and I'm just kind of looping it in circles and pinching it together, knotting it. I don't have a bow maker yet, so I'm just kind of winging it. So I'll just get that put together, and I will use the same technique with the pumpkin style ribbon that I also have, and just make a big fluffy bow for this wreath. And so, as you can see here, I just make loops. There's like, I don't know, 4 or 5. I don't remember now, 4. So I just hold it together like that, and where it's pinched there, and then I just pinch in the center, and it's 4, okay? And then I can just wrap it around and tie it down, I guess. It's just wire. It's just, you know, floral wire or whatever. Then I can fluff it out, and then I can take the other part that I made and put it all together in one. And there it is with it all put together, big and fluffy. And, you know, take time to fluff it out some more. So I'll just stick it down in the center of the wreath. The bottom, just move some of the stuff around to make room. And yeah. So there we go. We've got the bow attached now. And there it is. I like it. I think it's super cute. The bow turned out pretty good. What do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think of my bow. There's the hanger, this little refresh there. Too cute. Ready for fall. And the wreath hanging up on the door. Again, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to check the description box for Teresa's link, Sandy's link. Thank you, ladies, for a great challenge. And the link to donate also is in the description box, as well as the link to the playlist. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out everybody else's videos. Give likes, subscribes, comments, all the YouTubey goodness. Spread it all over the playlist. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Take care, y'all. Bye.